My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware type application called AccessibleSignal. AccessibleSignal is the adware belonging to the AdLoad family, and it attacks Mac computers these days. The adware is often spread through integration with many free applications, so in most of the cases people download and install it absolutely unintentionally. Therefore, if it was somewhere or another installed into your computer, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of this AccessibleSignal from your system. So right-click on this application and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you carefully examine your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Select your preferred operating system, download Combo Cleaner, and start investigating your device with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.